For over a decade, we have been living in a period of tech stagnation. We have been conditioned to believe that if you want power, you need bulk. We accept that a workstation is a loud, power-hungry, dusty box that sits under our desks like a necessary evil. We've been trapped in a binary choice: either pay the Apple tax for a premium experience, or settle for the plasticky, noisy, and inefficient world of budget Windows towers. But what if I told you that the concept of a desktop tower is about to become as obsolete as the floppy disk? What if the brain of your computer was no larger than a coaster, yet powerful enough to run your entire professional life without a single fan or a single watt of wasted energy? The leaks regarding the upcoming Mac Neo are not just about a new product, they are about a fundamental shift in the architecture of personal computing. This is the moment where mobile engineering finally kills the traditional desktop. The thermal ceiling: why your old computer is actually failing you. To understand why the Mac Neo is so disruptive, we have to look at the thermal ceiling. For 20 years, processor speed was limited by how quickly you could suck heat away from silicon. If you wanted a faster chip, you needed a bigger fan. If you had a bigger fan, you needed a bigger case. If you had a bigger case, you needed more power. It was a vicious cycle of physical expansion. The Mac Mini, while an incredible value, is still bound by these old rules. It has fans. It has intake vents. It has power supplies that draw significant current. It is a desktop in the traditional sense. But the Mac Neo breaks the cycle by utilizing the A18 Pro architecture, a chip designed for the tightest, most thermally constrained environment on Earth: your iPhone. When you move a mobile-first chip to a desktop, you are playing a different game. You no longer need to exhaust heat because the chip is so efficient it barely generates any. Imagine a device that never spins up a fan, never collects dust inside, and never makes a sound. This is the definition of solid-state computing. It is silent, efficient, and, crucially, it lasts longer because there are no moving parts to break. The psychology of the minimalist workspace. We often ignore the psychological impact of our environment. When you look at a traditional computer setup, you see cables, a humming black box, and a chaotic mess of peripherals. This visual clutter translates to mental clutter. The Mac Neo represents a shift toward ambient computing. Because the Neo is small enough to sit unobtrusively on your desk, perhaps even hidden behind a monitor or mounted to a wall, it vanishes from your sight. It stops being a computer and starts being a portal. When your hardware is invisible, your focus shifts entirely to your work. This is why the aesthetic shift to metallic, vibrant colors is so important. Apple is not just selling a machine, they are selling a piece of desk decor. It turns the home office from a server room into a studio. The myth of the phone chip. The biggest criticism you will hear is, it's just a phone chip, how can it be a desktop? This is a fundamental misunderstanding of modern silicon. The A18 Pro, and the architecture that powers it, is now significantly more powerful than the desktop chips that ran the Pro workstations of just 5 years ago. We are talking about billions of transistors packed into a space the size of a fingernail. We are talking about unified memory architecture, where the RAM is so close to the processor that the latency is effectively zero. For 95% of users, writers, coders, creative professionals, and students, the bottleneck is never the raw clock speed anymore, it is the latency and the software optimization. By bringing the mobile ecosystem's efficiency to the desktop, the Neo removes the barriers that make modern computing feel heavy. The democratization of performance. For years, the Apple tax kept the best user experience out of the hands of students and entry-level creatives. You either bought the $2,000 professional machine or you suffered through the budget experience. The Mac Neo is the bridge. It is the first time in a decade that Apple has signaled they are interested in the mass-market, desktop space with a product that isn't a compromise. If they can hit the price target, this kills the cheap, laggy Windows PC market. Why would anyone buy a loud, plastic, depreciating tower when they could have a sleek, silent, and powerful Mac Neo that keeps its value and runs for years? This is a massive market disruption that has Microsoft and Google scrambling. Their business models rely on you upgrading your hardware every 3 years. Apple's model, with the Neo, is to provide you with a tool that works so well you don't even think about the hardware. The future of home computing. The Neo is not just a computer, it is a vision of the future where the computer is the least important part of the setup. It is the brain that lives in the background. It is the device that connects your phone, your tablet, and your monitor into one fluid experience. With on-device Apple Intelligence, the Neo learns your habits, speeds up your repetitive tasks, and acts more like an assistant than a tool. It consumes so little electricity that it's effectively always on, without affecting your power bill. This is the efficiency that the world of computing has been chasing for decades, and it looks like Apple is the first to actually deliver it in a desktop form factor. Why this is the ultimate choice? My honest opinion. The Mac Neo is the most significant piece of tech coming this year. It isn't the biggest, it isn't the most expensive, but it is the most meaningful. It proves that you don't need a massive, heavy, loud machine to be a power user. It validates the idea that beauty, performance, and accessibility can coexist. If you have been waiting for a reason to switch or just waiting for a computer that doesn't feel like a chore to own, this is it. It's the end of the clunky tower era, and the beginning of a cleaner, faster, and more colorful way of working. The era of the big, bad, and ugly desktop is over. The era of the intelligent, silent, and sleek desk companion has arrived. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new way to level up your tech game.